B.Sc Accounting is a 4 years program, which is an 8 semester program. These are your courses for the first semester, including just 105, which is for arts and social science students and others. You are expected to register all of them and pass them, and you also register your courses. So you pay for course materials. That's called course registration. 3 units is 2,005, 2 units is 2,000. Exam fee is flat, 1,000 for every undergraduate. And this is your final fee here, 61,500, which includes 36,000 for first semester fee, school fee, kind of compulsory fee. From second semester onwards, you'll be paying 18,000. Here is 36,000. From second semester 200 level, these are your courses for the second semester. You are expected to register all and pass all. And after all your fee calculation, you'll be paying 44,000. Here is the 18,000, no longer 36,000. Then 200 level first semester, you'll be paying. You have all these courses, which includes GST 201. You will not be registering GST 203 even if it's on your portal, because 203 is for science students. Accounting is not a science program, so 203 is for science programs. Therefore, direct entry students, you will be taking GST 107 from 100 level. You pick 107 from 100 level, add it here, because your own is 23, while those who started from 100 level will be 21. That's all. You take them and move on. Your fee is 44,500. Then you have 200 levels second semester. These are your courses for 200 levels second semester, and it amounts to 18 total of 18 credit units. If you had any carryover from 100 level, you can start adding them here. Start bringing them up here, so that you clear them before you reach your final year. Although even at final year, you still have the chance to add carryovers, as you're going to see here anyway. As long as it is less than 24 units, you can always add carryovers. So here you'll be paying 41,000 as your fee. And 300 level first semester, these are your courses, including GST 302, which should never be ignored. You pass all of them, register all of them, and pass them, and your total fee is 42,000 naira. Then 300 level second semester, these are your courses. You are expected to register all and pass all. You can include carryovers if you had any from previous semesters. You may have more courses in your portal, and that means you will have to maybe add a few more, especially electives. Don't ignore your electives. You're supposed to pass at least one, or where you have registered 2 and fail 1, or you have registered 3 and fail 1. You don't have to take it as carryover. So here you'll be paying 41,500 as your fee for 300 level second semester. Then 400 level first semester, these are your required courses, all of them. You must register all and pass all, with 42,500 as your school fee. Then final semester, 400 level second semester, these are your courses, including your projects. Projects does not require exam registration, so you will only be paying 15,000 for it. See, you still have about 8 free credit units to make it 24. So if you had any carryover, you still have the chance to clear them here. And your fee for the final semester is by standard is 32,000. Here you are literally required to pass everything you have registered here, unless there are more courses added to you, which you might fail and still graduate. you are required to get a minimum of 175 credit units if you started from 111 and 138 if you started from direct entry. So that's it. If you have made it up to these minimum requirements, then your name should be on the next graduation list.